Hello everyone, my name is Radha Gayatri. I am studying second BSc Physics. Today I am going to present a PPT on Venkataraman Radhakrishnan. Venkataraman Radhakrishnan, Indian radio astronomer and astrophysicist 1929 to 2011. Early life and scientific heritage. Born on 18 May 1929 in Todiarpet, Madras, now Chennai, Venkataraman Radhakrishnan grew up in one of India's most intellectually vibrant households, laying the foundations for a remarkable scientific journey. He was the youngest son of Sir C.V. Raman, Nobel laureate in physics 1930. Growing up in the shadow of greatness, Radhakrishnan was immersed in scientific thought from his earliest years. Rather than resting on his father's legacy, he forged an entirely independent scientific path driven by curiosity, discipline, and a pioneering spirit that would define Indian radio astronomy for decades. Education and career path. Early foundations. Completed schooling in Madras and earned a physics degree from Central College, Bangalore 1950, followed by research scholarship at the Indian Institute of Science, 2nd SC Bangalore in 1951. Launching a distinguished scientific journey. International appointments. Pursued advanced research across the globe, United Kingdoms, Sweden, US, Australia, and France, building expertise in radio astronomy, pulsar physics, and astrophysical instrumentation at leading institutions worldwide. Directorship and legacy. Appointed director of Raman Research Institute, Bangalore 1972-1994, where they transformed it into a world-class center for radio astronomy, fostering cutting-edge research and mentoring generations of Indian scientists. Understanding radio astronomy. Radio wave reveal what visible light cannot. Radio astronomy detects electromagnetic radiation from celestial objects, uncovering pulsars, quasars, and the cosmic microwave background, phenomena entirely visible to optical telescopes. Key research domains include rapidly rotating pulsars emitting periodic radio pulses, the instellate medium composed of hydrogen gas and dust, and polarized radiation patterns that map magnetic fields across the galaxy. Groundbreaking research on pulsars. Pulsars are rapidly rotating neutron stars that emit beam of radio waves, appearing as precise pulses to observers. Radhakrishnan's landmark 1969 paper on pulsars polarization revealed that the radio emission organized from the magnetic poles, a discovery that fundamentally reshaped our understanding of pulsars physics and neutron star structure. His meticulous measurements of the polarization sang its sweep across pulsar profiles, providing direct evidence for the rotating vector model, still a concentration of pulsar science today. This work established Radhakrishnan as a global authority in radio astrophysics and brought international recognition to Indian astronomy. Investigations of the interstellar media. Radhakrishnan made significant contributions to our understanding of the interstellar medium ISM, the vast expanse of gas, dust, hydrogen, and charged particles filling space between stars. Studies interstellar hydrogen distribution using 21 cm AD emission lines. Investigated recombination lines revealing ionized gas clouds and nebulae. Mapped matter distribution across the Milky Way galaxy. Research illuminated the structure and dynamics of the ISM, shaping modern astronomy physics. Leadership and instrumentation. Served as director of the Raman Research Institute RRI, Bengaluru from 1972 to 1994, transforming it into a world-class center for radio astronomy and astrophysics research. Beyond the deployment of major radio observations, including the Duraden Radio Observatory, UT Radio Telescope, and Mortis Radio Telescope, expanding India's observational research across the cosmos. Championed export the giant microwave radio telescope GMRT near Thune, one of the world's largest and most sensitive radio telescope arrays, cementing India's place in global radio astronomy. Diverse scientific interest beyond his astronomical achievements, Radhakrishnan was a man of remarkable versatility. He was passionate about aircraft design and built ultralight planes, combining engineering precision with creative ingenuity. An avid sailor, his laser and sailed his own boats, embracing the spirit of exploitation. He was also an enthusiastic amateur ham radio operator, a pursuit that mirrored his lifelong fascination with radio news, as those who knew him observe. A blend of astronomers' curiosity, his creativity, and explorer spirit. Honors and international recording ITI on awards and fellowships. Gujaraman Modi Award 2003 and P. Birla Memorial Award 2005, elected Fellow of the Indian Academy of Sciences, the International Astronomical Union, and the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, Global Leadership Fellow as National Academy of Sciences, Vice President of the International Astronomical Union 1988 and 1994, Chair of IAU Commission J. Reddy Asravani, a globally respected voice in astrophysics. Legacy of Venkataraman Radhakrishnan, a beacon in India and global astrophysics. Pioneer of radio astronomy, builder of institutions, international perspective scientist.